Yo, Nation, what's going on? How y'all feeling this morning? Hope y'all feeling great. I'm feeling great. Hope y'all doing the same. Oh. Now, let's go ahead and get to the grits and the gravy. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Go ahead, like, comment, man. Consider subscribing, man. Consider subscribing. I really appreciate it. It helps me in the algorithm of the rhythm of the algorithms and all that right there. If you ain't new to the channel, go and hit the like button, man. Y'all might appreciate this. So, also, please check the links in the descriptions, man. Those are my affiliate links. Whatever I have, or I'm interested in, or I'm going to buy, and I recommend it. So please go to the description. Take advantage of those links, and yeah. So today we are headed down to Eminent Automotive. Eminent Automotive, man. Oh shit. Come on, man. What y'all doing? Man, get the fuck around y'all, man. Y'all finna piss me off. It ain't even raining hard. Y'all goddamn acting like it's damn storming. But yeah. So yeah, man, my bad for that. Folks about to make me hit them, man. You know, I'm trying to get y'all some footage, and they hitting brakes in front of me like there's ice on the ground. But yeah, Ty already down here. Also, man, Ty done sprayed his Impala, man. So if he will, I'm gonna get a little footage of that. And yeah, man, I gotta get back to the house because I gotta be somewhere at 12. I gotta be there at 12, so I'll try to knock this out real fast and get back so that I can be on time. Yeah, so let me get on down here, and I'll pick the camera back up, man, when I reach our destination. Yeah, man, old Ty, man, even put some paint on this old Impala. It's a little dirty, but don't y'all worry about it. I know y'all see what's going on. Huh? Oh, no, you straight. I'm good off this light right here. As far as where I'm going. Okay, full effect. He said he wants y'all to have the full thing now. Don't play with it.
Well, I need the extra light here.
So it's benefiting both of us. It's benefiting both of us. I'm gonna have to go to the back because that's a glare.
I started both before and then go yesterday. They said for my mold and I got it. Trying to take it. See, that's been red, man. Just, red it on. It goes so long. It's set up. 8 years.
So okay, let me ask you a question. Do you know where, like, this is a mechanical question. On your steering column, do you, because you got the flow shifter, right? That's 96, right? So do you know where your switch at, your wires at on the steering column for the reverse lights? You don't? I know it's a pink and a green wire.
That should be connected to your floor shifter.
I know, but I got an aftermarket flow shifter.
Oh.
See, my car was a column shifter.
Right. I think they make something. You know, yours will be on your steering column.
Yeah, mine gonna be on the steering column. know what I'm saying? But I ran the wires. I tapped into 2 wires that they said it was, but they still ain't doing it. But I could be.
Off the gear shifter. It's got to be something on that gear shifter, like you got to touch it.
Yeah.
To make it do it.
But see, that's the thing. Like on the aftermarket shifter, it got switches on it. It got bumps on it. So when I put it in reverse, it pushed the what's called in. It's supposed to give it power. It give it signal. But damn, I could be tapped into the wrong one. I know it's a green wire, and then there's 2 pink wires. I tapped into a pink wire, so I might need to tap into the other one.
Googling on that to figure out
Right.
What's going on with that. But you know what you really should do?
What?
You should try to find a shifter, a factory shifter.
I had one. I sold it. I had the whole kit.
I got the console.
I got the console.
Yeah,
I got the console on there now.
SS Apollo console. I got an extra because I got the whole set of seats back there.
For real. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
I got the SS Impala console. I had the shift. I had all it, but I ain't use it because I used the B&M shifter. So I sold the other shift.
I would put that factory shifter back there. A lot of folks swap this stuff out and then it don't work right.
Yeah.
Like I can't stand the lights and stuff not working.
Yeah.
It's the bug.
So I figured out. Oh yeah, I'm like that too.
And stuff don't work right. Like, man, why ain't working right? I don't know, really. Figure it out.
What is a Yinko? This ain't no Yinko, is it? Huh?
Damn, homemade. Homemade crap.
Oh man. You don't know what year it is?
68.
68. My dad got a 70 something.
That's why I'm having some of the issues. I'm putting these wheels on it.
Yeah.
And so I gotta spend probably about $5 grand. Cause I gotta go 4-lane, gotta go mini tub.
Oh, this your car?
Yeah, it's my car.
Oh,
It's
shit.
already swapped.
Huh?
It's already swapped. Got the 6.2 and 6-speed transmission.
My dad seen that he flipped.
Yeah, it's already swapped. I'm getting ready to
Let me see. This ain't.
go ahead and put the disc brake setup on it. 'Cause we got a narrow rear, about 1 inch on each side.
I think my dad tail lights the same.
Yeah, all of them like the tail light thing. The difference is this little small light. So 68, 69 got small light. 70s have their light is a little bit longer.
I think he might have a 70 then. I'll show
I had a 70, and they are different because the 70 I had, I put 22 setup on there, man. It feel right on.
For real. This a unibody?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
Camaro and Nova have subframes. So basically, what we're gonna do, we're gonna get rid of this leaf frame.
Yeah.
And put the 4-link in it. 4-link hooks up. You weld the purchase there, and it goes there. And I think another one goes like up there. Then you go coil over. They go up there some kind of way. And then so.
Yeah.
Only thing that's not gonna cost me that much is the quarters and the mini tube. The mini tube,
Yeah.
the whole kit, $200. I'm like, ugh.
Right.
Quarters on this joint like $300 a piece, and so that's cheap. Cause you talking about like
See, his whole
$700.
His whole joint rusted out. He got a 454 in them mother. He's scared if he hit them mother, them mother gonna fall apart.
I was gonna put a big motor in it. That was the original plan.
Yeah.
Put a 454, Brody T's and all that. But my buddy's son, freaking G8.
Yeah.
And when they told me that, I said, what they want for it? It was like $3,500. So I was like, he had 120,000 miles. He got hit in the back. So I was like, man, I'll buy it. So I got the whole setup out there, cabinet and all that. We just got to tune it. So that's why I was like, well, I got the brakes on so you can tune it. Because right now, the rear brakes don't work up. The wheel cylinder seats up. And they already bought the brake kit. So it's like, why even try to deal with that? And just go ahead and I let that.
Nah, you good. 'Cause I
motor stuff.
gotta go ahead and get on that joint.
When it rain,
Right.
come back through.
Man, y'all getting some bonus footage, man. Y'all wasn't even supposed to see this.
Yeah. Yeah, this car is gonna be I always wanted one. I grew up seeing these cars. And,
Man, this made me want to go ahead and try to fix my dad's joint. But it rusted out so bad. They told him, they were like, man, this ain't worth trying to fix.
Everything for a motor. Everything. Quarters.
So he need another.
Doors. Any bumpers. They just like 69 Camaro, 68 Camaro.
I'm saying, so
Everything.
the frame is connected to the body though, right?
It unbolts.
That's what I thought.
Unibody. So you can take this whole front clip, like it unbolts. You can take that, drop that all the way down. In the back, it doesn't have one because it's a leaf spring car. So You just drop the rear end with the leaf spring, and there's nothing back there. That's why they go full link on it. That's why they race these cars. They light.
So it ain't no. Hold on. I'll look at it when you pick it back up. But so it ain't no frame in the back of the car.
No. They ain't talking about. Come on. They're looking at flowers. Yeah. So I'm gonna get ready to take that crap.
Damn, that shit ain't tight. That shit tight, boy.
What, inside?
Hell yeah.
I got plenty of room.
No, I'm talking about up front.
Oh yeah. What, talking right here?
Yeah.
Oh, still plenty of room.
Yeah, still plenty of room, but
Ain't like a S10.
shit. Nah, it ain't like my car.
Nah, you got room. The Apollo got plenty of room. You put a big block in them. So got to take off. It's got manual brakes, we can do power brakes on it, disc brakes, all that good stuff. Wheel wood. Get this thing stopping so we can tune it.
Right.
And then we'll start saving it for suspension.
Suspension.
Business been kind of slow, so I got to start back painting cars again.
Damn.
Yeah, I don't want to do it. But it's less stressful than doing insurance.
Hell yeah.
It's stressful.
I already know it.
You gotta struggle with the insurance company to pay to fix the people's car right. Then you gotta, go back and forth with the customer because they want their car fixed a certain way and the insurance won't pay for it. So
Yeah, and they want a certain amount off the check too.
I ain't doing none of that. How can you make money on something that they already done lowball? You know what I'm saying? Like the labor is nothing on the insurance job.
Right.
So you literally have to make a little bit of money on parts just to justify doing it. And doing a full paint job, custom paint jobs, you get it's all labor except for the material. So, but at the time, but the only thing about full paint job, you can't never make the same amount of money unless you're charging like $10,000 a car and you got to prove. You can knock out two $10,000 paint jobs in a month, then you can make money. Like Supermar makes his money on insurance.
Yeah.
That's why when he showed them dumps, that car been there about 3 or 4 years.
Oh yeah, I know.
They've been there a long time. He makes his money off insurance. And then where his shop is, dude, his shop is probably like 50 miles from Miami. It's like in the middle of nowhere. Him, Jet-Fly, all that, man, that shop's in the middle of nowhere. Jet-Fly shop in the hood.
Yeah.
Like, you don't want to leave your car there when you see that shop.
Damn.
Yeah, it ain't. I've been in that shop twice.
Man, it's cold.
I wouldn't take my car, man. I'd be scared. Be nervous.
I need to ask my dad, man, what year that car is. I think it's a 70 something though.
If it's a 73, I wouldn't even do it. Because if he doesn't have
It might be a 73. It might be a 73.
If his quarter glass doesn't cut down like that, I wouldn't do it. See, the 73s, they start doing them like that, and they're more rounded right here. I don't like them. I don't want them. They
I ain't even got no picture of that joint.
ugly. I don't want.
But yeah, y'all done seen it. Let me get to work. I'll hit y'all in a second, man.